Signs of Jesus Christ Coming Part 4, Matthew 24:8-10. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you. And ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake. And then shall many be offended, and shall betray one another, and shall hate one another. The Bible message about persecution is a reminder that following God may come with challenges. However, it also offers hope and encouragement, reminding believers that they are not alone, and that God will ultimately triumph over evil. Do you think history repeats itself? Share your thoughts.